Yeah, g'day. This is Chris. I've been a tiler for 35 years, professional tiler. I'm doing the house. I've just started this job this morning. I'll turn the camera around. Right, I'm about to, I am taking off the skirting boards. I'm going to be laying a 6x6 tile right through here. These tiles are, they were in 20 years ago, but now it's all 6x6 and a small grout line. So what I'm going to be doing is half the floor, grouting it, and then moving, the owners will be moving all the furniture over so I can lay the other half through here. I'm going to be putting an aluminium strip across there. So the first job is taking off the skirting boards, and then I'll be putting a primer sealer over the whole floor and laying the tiles. My set out, I would like to try and get a decent size cut down this hallway. It's not a major hall, but it'll still look nice if there's a reasonable size cut. So I'll work it out once I've sealed the floor. I'm coming in to the laundry. That's not being done in there, that's the movie room. I'm stopping at the doorway, going into the laundry, into this bathroom. I'm stripping this out. It'll be the same tile coming into the bathroom. I'm going to be stripping this out, re-waterproof it, and I'll be tiling up to the ceiling on that wall, taking that mirror off. Like brass or gold was nice in its time, but it's out of date. You know, like that's a lovely shower. Beautiful. That's bloody ugly. Splits on the floor around the grate. But that tile was nice 25 years ago. And the gold shower screen and the hob, it was all nice. Not now. So I'm going to be tiling this wall up to the ceiling, and this wall, this will just have a skirt like that, and the same in the toilet, a skirting tile of the same. There's only one drummy tile in this whole floor, which is that one. That one. So it's been laid very well. I'll be putting in new floor wastes, the smart waste, which is a lot nicer than the shitty plastic ones. I'll be doing aluminium, not the rubber, at the carpet. So that's, I'll show you an update shortly. See ya. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you shortly. Bye.